Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. So today we're going to do an unboxing, and this is from Scott's Steering Stabilizer, Scott's Performance. And this is for the newest setup that they have for the, mine's a 23 Husqvarna. So the 23, I think the 25 is what they're listed as. They don't have them on their site yet, so you're going to have to call up to order it. But I'm mounting a steering stabilizer, and this is the road version. I'm putting it on my dirt bike. I'm going to send it to them so they can revalve it to sort of the dirt version. So if you have one of these and they're for road, send it to them. They can revalve it and set it up for you. So let me show you what's in this box, because this is pretty neat. This is their new setup. You don't have to take your headset apart or anything. It's a clamp system. So let's get into it. So first of all, this thing is packed with super nice. All right, so here's all their stabilizer kit, instructions, stuff. Now it has specific instructions here for this one. And you can see this is only for the FBD-6169. So let me show you. This has instructions, pictures. All right, now the cool thing about these new ones is that they're split like that. All right, so I also got the cable holder so it can hold my, Husqvarna's KTMs and stuff. It goes behind the pad, between the tank and the pad. So this just kind of splits apart here. You can see the split, so you don't have to undo your wires. It just goes right around it, mounts up. All right, so here's I'm doing a top mount. All right, comes the top mount on here. All the screws for mounting everything there. Now this is the unit itself, okay? See how it's a split design? Basically, you take it apart, you put the one side on, instructions are all on there, and then you mount the other side on here, and you're going to bring these together. There's Torx specs in here, but it says to finish it off by hand. The biggest thing here is you want to make sure these gaps stay the same and everything is straight. Pins in here. Gives you instructions for that as well. Other adapters and such are on here. So I wanted to show you this, guys. I'm not going to get into super detail about everything, about a damper and everything, but this is the new system, and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Super light too, because these are just not, you don't see too much of them on the newer bikes. So if you're looking for one of these, all right, this is what it looks like. It's got guide pins in here to line everything up properly. Full instructions, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. And if you're looking for a damper, make sure you get a damper. Don't just tighten up your steering stem. It's completely different what you're trying to get out of it if you do that. All right, but there's the setup. This is what comes in the box with the instructions. I'm going to make another video about mounting it up, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But that's just a quick unboxing of the Scott's Steering Stabilizer Mounting Kit 6169.